Hi, in this video I will show you how to ban someone from your Facebook page. So if your friend is abusing or someone is abusing on your Facebook page and you don't want him to on your page, so simply follow this procedure. I created one page just for as an example to show you how you can block someone from abusing you on page. So first of all, open your Facebook and go to your Facebook page. Once you will go to your Facebook page, open the comment or the post where that person is abusing on your post. So right now I have one comment here. So I let's say I want to ban or block this person. Simply tap a while on it and you will see delete comment and block that person. Simply you have to click on it, and now you have to click on the ban and the delete. Once you will click on the ban and the delete, this person will be fully banned from your Facebook page. Now he is not allowed to see your post or comment on your post. So in this way you can ban anyone on the Facebook page. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.